I swear them peanut butter and jams. There's just something different about it. Just the peanut butter and the jam in between it. Just a combination.
He ain't lying.
YouTube, the great fam, man. It's your boy Tony the Great, man. And I'm back at it. I know y'all looking like I ain't back at shit. Cause where I been, I know. Look, as you can see from the background, just guess. As you can see from the Strange folk, y'all already know. College, man. I'm back in college. And what college been doing to me.
Fight back, nigga! Fight back!
Now look, I know what y'all here for right now, man. Y'all here for that Resident Evil 8. I can't even pronounce it. Resident Evil 8. And we about to hop on this thing and go crazy like how we always do. Cause that's what we do, man. Come on now. So smack that like button, smack that subscribe button, smack that comment section up, and smack that bell if y'all want to be notified with another banger like this one. Without further ado, let's get into it and let's do it. I'm gonna slide up here to the little house. No, we got the key. We got the key. We got the key. Come on now. Chill out. Don't nothing pop up in here. Finally made it in the man's house. Hold on, this is a code right here. Hold on, what's this? Okay. I'll never forget her 5th birthday. Whoa. That's kind of weird. Are they talking about my daughter? Wait, hold on. 270917. Let's do it. 270917. 270917. Oh! I just shot it. Oh, tweet. Oh, yeah. Get all this goodies. Hold on. Ooh. Say less. Bro, yup. Add that thing right now. Demon baby, killers here. We on site now. Demon crazy. Something, 100 down. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Check it out. Yeah, what up? Pull upstairs in. You so big and bad. Oh. Yeah, what up? Oh my God. Chill out. What up, man? What up, man? Come on. Oh no. I'm stuck in the corner. I'm about to die. Call me Rick James. Oh my goodness. Calm down. Why are you so mad, bro? Check it out. Walk up wrong though. No. Walk up wrong though. Sound like he behind me. Who he behind me? Oh my God. Oh. Okay, check it out. Nope, check it out. You want parts? Come get parts then. No, come get parts then. Nope. Check it out. Come on. What's up? You want the parts then? You go get parts. Okay. I'm probably dead right here. Yeah, I'm deceased booty. It's all good. I'm deceased booty. I'm all deceased booty. Oh no. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Let's go. Bro, I'm out here finna die. Ooh, this a GM79? Grenade launcher? Oh yeah, it's time. I don't want no problems, sir. I don't want no problems. Don't walk up on me now. What up? What up? What up? What up? Get these parts in. Get these parts. Get these parts in. Get these parts in. Come on. Wake up. Get these parts in. Quisco. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm tired of y'all, bro. Y'all holding down this crib like y'all live here for real. Check it out. I'm finna drop it. Come on, check it out. Bro, that thing not dying? What is all this green gooey shit everywhere? Who did all of this? It's gooey as hell over here. It's covered in slimy substance. Looks breakable. What can I break this up with? A grenade launcher? Oh. Let me find out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And we going to get the other one. It's time, y'all. It's time. Yep, we going over here to... Yep, we going for this man. So now we already know this man covering slime up. Yeah, get up there. Nothing grab me. Nothing grab me, bro. Come on, man. I'm just going up here nice and easy. See what's going on. Let me squeeze it. Okay. Okay, animals. Okay, animals. Shall I kill you? Yes, I shall. Bro, you finna get a headshot. Bro. Come here. You too. Start running. I told y'all start running. Say less. What's this way? Ooh. We gotta get this crystal too. We need whatever little ball we gotta get for the rare animal. I don't know where this could be. It got a whale in it. Okay, it's somewhere by a whale. That's all we know. We going too deep down. This not right. This not what we supposed to be going, bro. See? That's one of them tricks, see? I'm going. Oh, it look nice down here, though. No, it don't. No, it don't. No, it don't. I know you just heard that. Someone been down here. There's too many lights. Oh. Okay. What's this way? What kind of key this is? Lock from the other side. I ain't bet. So we gotta slide this way anyway, so let's do it. Telling you, I'm letting that thing blow. I'm letting that thing blow. Don't play with me. Shots will be blown. Oh no, something about to grab me so crazy right now. It's never that easy. He's right here. What is he doing? No, that's a trick. It ain't never that easy. It ain't never that easy. Oh my God. Yep, I knew it. I knew it.
If it's for you,
No.
I'd do anything.
Get this man out of here. No, we gotta go. Don't look at this man. We gotta go.
I'll just be taking this.
Yep.
Wait. What are you doing with Mother's special child?
She's not hers.
That's my daughter, dude. That's my daughter.
Say,
What do you mean, mother's special
I'm
child?
saying.
Mother wants her baby back.
Don't screw with me.
Wait, please. If you take it, then the others will laugh at me. But if I do better than them...
What do I care?
Wait,
Oh,
just a
bro.
little longer.
Hey, get away from this man. Ethan. He
What's so
playing, bro.
funny?
You're stupid. You talk too much.
Now he
It's
finna.
all over.
Now he finna.
I plugged the way in.
What do you...
Oh my God.
It's
I told you, Ethan.
territory.
I told you, Ethan.
I won't let you leave.
Shit.
Wow. So this man gonna block me off.
Damn freak.
Check it out. Come on. Check it out. He want to play ugly. We can play ugly. Oh no. No, I'm gone. I'm leaving. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone. What? Okay. Okay.
How do I get out of here?
Ooh, that's a little chest over there. Okay, see less. Hold on. What's all in this? Leave the boat key in the shack in the mine. Hands is dead, so no more fishing for a while. I mean, we all know his death was by no accident. He was eaten by a giant fish, boat and all. It's a shack in the mine where the boat key is that we gotta get so we can start this. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. We got some of the little animals. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, hold on. Oh no. Be up close and personal. We gotta up the mine out. They up close. Okay, okay. Let's see what type of introduction y'all want. That's set for you. Come get this. Y'all, come on. Walk over here. I need y'all to come and get this introduction. Come on. So y'all just gonna be eating y'all food, huh? I said, come here. Come on. I told y'all, come here. Get your introduction. Oh yeah. Okay. 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 Slide this way then. Slide this way then. Come on. Told you slide this way. You get that work too. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, man. We ain't playing about my daughter. We ain't playing about my daughter, dude. Oh my God. Close that in. Y'all got one way in. Boat key. Right here. Come slide. Come slide. Come get an introduction. Come slide. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What else I need? I need another gun in here. I need another gun. Just in case. Okay, come on. Come push through. Oh! Oh! Who mans is this? Oh! Oh my God! No, we going. No, we going. Y'all can have that. Y'all can have that, bro. I just wanted the key. I just wanted the key. That's all I wanted. Okay. Come on, hold up. Check it out. Okay. Oh no, okay. I'm up here though. You can't jump up here, do you?
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Better run. Check it out. I want that jump back in blood, shorty. Back in blood, honey. Back in blood, honey. Come on, honey. Okay. Oh my God. I'm like, this man eating all of these bullets? Give me that crystal. I need it. Oh yeah, come on. Okay, come on. You all hyping all that like your homie just won. Come on, goofy. Okay. Okay. Smooth shot. I just glitched the screen over hard. That's smooth. Come on, check it out. We about to get it busting right here though. Come slide. Yeah. Told you come slide. Respectfully just left that place. Come on. Okay. That's perfectly fine. If you want an introduction in, we could get you that. We could get you that. You know what I'm saying? We could get you that. You got homies? Okay. Yeah. Push away. There you go. Get that gusher. Okay. We just gonna move it through her then. Ooh. Oh! Oh no. Been through here. Been through the cut. Been through the cut. D break. D break. D break. D break. Right here. D break right here. Oh no. Oh no. Like shorty, what was that? What's in her? Whoa.
What the hell?
Like some science
Research post or
experiments.
something? What the fuck are they doing here?
Oh, is this who I think it is? Yup. Yup.
Get off of me! Stay the fuck down!
Oh,
Ethan! I gotta say, I'm surprised you made it this far.
no.
It'd be a shame if something
He gotta
happened
get
to
him
you
off.
now.
He gotta get him
Sure,
off.
Chris. Why not? You killed Mia.
Yep. He
Now
got.
do me and finish the job.
Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm right here. I'm right here,
I'm
man.
getting some serious motion readings out here. We should move on.
Some serious motion readings.
What kind of readings? What's moving?
Unknown, but my guess is we've been here too long and Miranda knows it.
Hey, did you say Miranda? How are you involved?
Leave it alone, Ethan. You are out of your depth. What about the sample analysis?
It's definitely related to the mold.
That thing out there, boy. Uh-oh.
Stay out of our business, Ethan.
What business?
Shorty, he gotta be dead. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Folks gotta be deceased. Ain't no way we gotta kill that. Ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way, boy. Oh, that's him?
Stay back.
Oh, no.
The exit's underwater.
He on different timing.
I don't have time for this.
Stab him. Look, he got a tattoo.
Miranda sent you to slow me down? You're pathetic.
Uh-oh. Oh, I think you never should have said that. Bro, get out my face.
What are you talking about?
Oh,
The fuck is wrong with you?
I'm saying. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. That mean run. That's what that mean. That mean run. I'm running for my life. I'm running for my life. Okay, is it clear? Oh no. Boy. Go around this thing first. What we got popping up? Oh, my boy in here. What up, gang? Dang, you set up shop for real. I don't know how your big ass be moving all this stuff though, but I'll mess with you though, bro. Okay, that's what it looked like. So that must be the puzzle to like open this or something.
If I can drain the water. Shit,
Gotta drink.
there's no
We
power.
got to. No power. No more whatsoever. What did it say? This crank is old and busted up. It feels like it's going to snap any second. I hope it doesn't break. The only other one we have is over at Windmill 2. Looks like it got something running. There you go. Yep. Yep. Well, it said it.
Seriously?
Well, it did say it. It did say it. So, I guess we gotta bop down here. So, there you go. Okay. Let's go ahead and do it. What we about to get into over here? What's the violence? What's the violence we about to get into in these parts? Bop that down. Yeah. Bro, I saw that.
eating fish food.
Nope. All I do is run in this situation. That's all you gonna catch me do. Oh no. Okay. Yeah. I see you. Yep, I see you. Nope. We going. Bro, fall. Can this fall, please? Because I'm confused. Oh, I see it. I got it. Bro, oh my God. Come on, man. Got maggots in there? Ugh. That's so disgusting. That's so disgusting, bro. Oh my God. Oh snap. I'm gonna slide her. This is too much. We gotta hurry up and get through. Oh yeah. What? Never. That's a sad way to die. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. What's this? Magnum ammo. I don't have a Magnum though. Like what? I don't even have a Magnum. We're gonna pull this thing right back up with it. We're gonna go through. Slide through. Let's do it. We got through there. Let's do it. Oh my goodness. Wow. This harder than I thought it was. Yeah. Nope. Oh no. Shorty. Ain't none of that. You ain't getting none of these parts. Oh my God. Nope. Push it. Come on, let's go. Keep going, y'all. We gotta keep going. We ain't holding up. Oh yeah, we back here with it. Oh yeah, check it out. We got that wheel. Oh, what's over there? Hold on. We gotta slide and see what's over there. We gotta slide and see. We gotta see what the word is. Yeah. Oh! Okay. We in a lagoon with it. Anything, can I blow this up? I probably could too. Shoot that thing. Yeah, let's go. We on this side. Oh no. I gotta see what's over here. Look like some type of contraption over here. Oh yeah. Brought that thing on. Yeah. We got the boat.
Myself a big one.
We got the boat. Oh no, before he destroyed the boat. Oh my.
Get out of here.
Yep. Oh my goodness. Nope. Oh no. I'm going through her, dude. Nope. Okay, that's just great. Okay. It's a lock on there. This must be a whole different one. Yep. Go up there. It's getting intense. No, my boy, I just want the, hold on, let me get the money. Oh, we got the crank. Break through. Doors locked, they won't open. Hold on. How are we gonna get down off here? There you go. Yeah. Come on. We up there. We up there. We up there. Oh, no, hold on. I see it. I see it. Grab on. We gone. We gone. Oh! We out of there. We out of there. We get out that gym, bro. We just got out that gym. Yeah. He gonna drain that water. He gonna be deceased down there.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't know how I just did that. Don't know how, bro. I don't know. I don't know. Let's just go. Yeah. Yeah.
Got it.
October 1st, a sunny day. Mother Miranda brought me 5 people from the village, just like I asked. I made them sleep with some liquid, and then I put Kadoa in their tummies. I'm looking forward to the Kadu to grow in their tummies. Ooh. 4 of the people from the village are dead this morning. One is almost a leaking. I sent it to the lab on the mountain. I failed again. Mother wants strong vessels, but I cannot get any. I will need more from the village. Bro, what? Magnum? Ooh. We need that. Go ahead and put that in there. Go ahead and equip that, yup. Oh yeah, we already got that equipped too. Oh yeah. Something about to pop off over her, bro. I don't like it. Yup, look how much stuff they just gave me. They want me to create something. Yep, I knew it. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Yes, I gotta do this.
Come on. Come on. Go up again. I dare you. 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 I dare you, dude. Come on. I dare you. Come on. Let's go. We good over here. We good over here, shorty. Come on. It's time. Your time has come. Come on, dude. Yeah. Yeah. Come get that work. Call me a monster. I know you ain't just call me a monster, dude. I know you ain't. You gonna come through here. I'm already knowing. Oh yeah. Whoa. Whoa. This man tweaking. This man is tweaking. Bro, he started throwing up acid in the air. Ooh. Ooh. This man is letting it rain, bro. Sit down. Stop. Stop. He's tweaking. Yeah, I'm probably gonna die this way. I'm probably for sure dead. I'm for sure dead. I'm for sure dead. I'm the deceased booty right here. Oh yeah, come on. Move around. Move around. Let me get out the way. Let me get out the way. Move around. Let me get out the way, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I don't have no explosives. Come on, bro. Check it out. It's time. Check it out. Nope, nope, nope. Put that jump while I'm right here. In his face with it. Check it out. If I die, I die. Yeah. Yeah, he coming with me though. Coming with me though, big homie. Come on, let's go. Come on, big homie. Yeah, what up? Come slide. Yeah, come slide. Come slide. Come on. Come on. We handing out introductions. Oh yeah. That's another introduction being handed out. Alright. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Yeah. Yeah, what's good? good? Yeah, what's good? Yeah, what's good? Come on. What's good, big homie? What's good, big homie? I'm no, what's good, homie? What's good, homie? Oh, what's good, homie? Slide, come on. Slide, homie. Oh! Oh! Someone's angry. Is this a dead end? I might die. Woo. Wow, you nasty. Ooh. I'm tired of that, bro. That's disgusting. No, you dying. You dying. Drop it. Drop it. Run. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Oh yeah.
In death as he was in life. Disgusting.
Deceased booty, dude. Whoa. So this is little crib? Mother Miranda gave me a rose jar. No one likes me, which is why I thought they would leave me out again. But Heisenberg said that was why we each get a rose. The ceremony cannot happen without us all there. Mother didn't seem to care though. Mother said Rose is a vessel. With a vessel, Mother can get her real child back, even though she has been dead for a long time. But if Mother does, then what will happen to me? I'm not her real child. Will she abandon me? Oh, I don't want that. No. Dang. What is that? That's that cut.
Is that alive?
That's the bro, never. Hold on. That's nah. Can we add something to this? Combine with a 4. Okay. Oh yeah. Whoa.
You're better off than I thought.
Who's that?
Hold on.
Come on. We just met a while back. Nothing really
Heisenberg.
matters.
Definitely Heisenberg.
You're the last asshole
Yeah,
in my
you're the
way,
last one.
aren't you?
You've got fight. I'll give you that, Ethan. But what's the plan when you have all 4 flasks?
So I'm gone with the child.
What are you trying to get at?
I could lend you a hand.
I'm trying to get on my good
Dang, what you
side.
been eating on?
So don't get cocky. I'd kill you if you weren't worth the trouble.
Come on.
There's a stronghold not too far outside the village.
Okay.
Go there and get my flask. Do that, and you pass.
Dang.
First, head back to the graveyard.
Self-centered prick.
Okay, he ain't said nothing but a word too. All his homies deceased, he finna be deceased as well. Crank this thing, come on. Crank this thing. Yeah, open sesame. Whoa, chill out now. New little area. But not be nothing too crazy out here. I'm already hearing it from dudes that's out here flying. You're not going. Uh-oh. Okay. I see y'all cooling. Okay. Ooh. A mermaid ball. Oh yeah. That's for that crystal. Sure, I want to at least take out 2 of y'all. Oh, go ahead and land. Nah. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back to kill y'all. I'm not playing. They making us work hard to get this. They making us work hard. It's all good. We gonna get it though at the end of the day. Oh yeah. Good as that thing. Check it out. Oh yeah, it's on straight business now. That's on straight business. What up? I told you getting this work. Told you getting this work. Don't get back up. Come on. I need all that money too. What up? What up? What up? No, no, check it out. You ain't find nowhere. Check it out. Sit down. Sit down. Check it out. Yeah. I needed that money. I needed that money. What's this? Got the mag ammo. Oh, yeah. Okay, we got something good in here. Hey, hold on. Who you dude? Who you dude? Check out. Who you dude? Who you dude? Who you dude? Yeah, who you dude? Check it out. Come on. Y'all want issue, that's what y'all gonna get then. If y'all want issue, that's what y'all gonna get. Look at all this. Okay. You gonna get it too. Okay. Oh, hold on. There's two of y'all in here. Okay. Oh yeah. Come on out here. Get y'all proper introduction. Come on, come on. They call me John Wick Jr. for a reason. Get away from me. Ooh. Get away from me. Yeah, get away from me. Come on. Come on now. Like I said, for a reason they call me that, dude. For a reason. How does this? Stop playing with me. Okay? That one sound like one of the wolves. He sound a little feisty. We're gonna have to open this with caution. The main man's over there having a meal. Hold on. Check it out. We might have to. Oh, okay, we decent. Main man's in here having a meal. Check it out, shorty. Check it out, shorty. Bro, check it out. Where the other homie at? I heard him. What's this? Mother Miranda gave me a mountain. Now I can do lots and lots of Kadu experiments. This is my secret special laboratory. I did 3 Kadu experiments today, but they all went pop and made a mess. I put in the Kadu and then I tried putting wolf blood from a needle into the spine. The person wiggled. I think I better have said that right. Wriggled a lot and then killed my assistant. I could not hold it down, so I put it in a cage. Oh no, see, y'all the ones that created COVID at this point. It's time, bro. What's up? Bro, what? Oh no. Oh no. Nah, folk. We need the grenade, but I can't even. Nope. Oh no. What up? Yeah. Oh no. Nope. 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 What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Okay. You strong, huh? Let's see how this Magnum do to you. Let's see how this Magnum do to you. Run up. Run up. Run up. Told you come run up. Told you come run up. Oh yeah. Dang, that's a huge animal. Put this flask in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, one more to go. Heisenberg, here we come.